Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish cutlet easy method. Start by gathering fish, potatoes, onion, breadcrumbs, and spices so everything is ready. Combine flaked fish with mashed potatoes, sautéed onion, green chilies, and spices for a balanced flavor. Mix well until the texture binds and form even patties for consistent cooking. Chill patties briefly to firm them, then prepare for coating and frying. Gently shape the fish and potato, mix into consistent patties to ensure even frying and a neat presentation. Coat each patty in flour, then egg, and finally breadcrumbs for a golden crunchy exterior that contrasts the soft center. Use moderate oil heat so the outside browns and the inside heats through without burning. If patties feel loose, chill them briefly to firm up before frying. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy recipes for you. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about money and made me laugh while learning, which feels oddly useful when buying groceries. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab it if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Heat oil to medium and fry the cutlets carefully so they become crisp outside and fully cooked inside. Turn once and watch for an even golden color to avoid overcooking the delicate fish. Drain briefly on paper towel to keep them light and not greasy before serving. Pair with a bright chutney or lemon wedge and enjoy as a snack or light meal with a simple salad on the side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.